Welcome to IgoroTech channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Windows 7 installation drive. Checking at Microsoft website, you can see here that they stopped the support for Windows 7. This means you cannot download the ISO file from their site. But if in case you've got an ISO copy from a friend, here's how to create the installation drive. In this step, I will use Rufus. You can download this app in their website as shown here. After opening Rufus app, insert the USB drive where you want to create the installation file. It will be automatically selected by the app as shown here, but if you have more than one USB drive inserted on your PC, then you have to select the correct drive. Here in the boot selection option, search the ISO file then select it. Under the image option, select standard Windows installation. In the partition scheme, select GPT. And the target system, select UEFI. Under the format option, just select the default. Then click on Start to resume creating the installation drive. Now our installation drive is complete. And to check it on the drive, here's the boot, EFI, source and support folder. We have also the auto-run, boot manager and setup file. From here, we can remove the USB flash drive installed to another PC. This covers how to create Windows 7 installation drive. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.